So guys, check this out in natural light. As you guys can see, it shows the earth, which is really, really cool. So if you guys want a great gift for yourself or for the person that actually you really care about, I'm telling you, if they love watches or if they're just getting started, this brand is going to make them think that they have a Rolex, maybe even better, because it is a phenomenal brand. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing one of my most favorite watch brands. I always mispronounce it. Aivasee or Aivasee. I'm not good with pronouncing brands, but you know what? It doesn't matter that I can't pronounce it. What matters is the quality of the brand. And let me tell you, this brand is up there with Rolex. I mean, that's my personal opinion. I'll let you guys decide for yourself. But I have multiple watches from them, and I'm always impressed. So they have tons of different styles to choose from. Their presentation is always top notch. So I'm very, very, very curious. You know, normally for a lot of stuff, you just open the packages. You don't really care what it looks like inside. But for this brand, I like to, they hype me up. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the presentation is always so nice. They protect their watches with these pieces. Now, some watch companies just simply throw the watch in the box. They don't care about their brand. They don't care about their products. This company actually cares. And we're going to be taking off, well, you guys can see, they cover their entire watch with plastic because they want to protect their watch. They don't want it scratched. They give you your adjustment tool. So this allows you to pop the pins out, which from the side, they make it easy. You guys can check out the listing and more information for popping the tools out. If you lift this up here, they also give you a little manual, a little guide on your watch as well. So just a bunch of stuff. Shockproof, dustproof, anti-magnetic, accuracy of the mechanical wristwatch, power reserve, water resistant, 2-year warranty, warranty scope, after sales service. I mean, just incredible. They go over and show you guys how to adjust the watch, and they make it very easy. So guys, this is the watch. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it justice, but in person, it's totally stunning. We'll try and do justice for this. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful, set in stone. I mean, everything about this is stunning and beautiful. So with this watch, most jewelry, most watches, you just throw in a box and you grab it out when you want. Not this. This is a watch you're going to want to take care of. And for clamping it, you just simply push it down in one corner here. So we fold it down. You hear a little snap. Do the same for the other side here. Push it down. Hear a snap. And that's how you put it around your wrist. So guys, this is how it looks on. Now, of course, we need to adjust it to make it tighter so it's up closer on our wrist. But just absolutely stunning. Really, really cool, guys. As you can see, the quality and the craftsmanship. You know, when people say Rolex, I say Rolex who? Just stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. You want to take your watch off, you press on the left and right button, just push in and it pops right out. So guys, I want you to take a look underneath here. Do you see that moving mechanical part? That is actually winding your watch. So as you wear your watch and it rotates back and forth, that is actually winding up your watch automatically. So just wearing your watch automatically winds it up so you don't have to deal with winding up your watch. Is that not cool or what? That is amazing. And you guys can see how freely it flows. Just stunning. So take a look at the watch from a distance. It is just stunning. Their watches are always made of the utmost craftsmanship. And I'm not just saying that. That is my honest personal opinion. I have been nothing but happy with this brand. The customer service is great, so if you have any issues, they're always there. but I don't think you guys are going to have any issues. Just stunning, guys.